Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel SK Misra Chemistry Classes. We have already started concentration in terms of percentage. In previous videos, we discussed about molarity, molality, normality and mole fraction. Today's we started concentration in terms of percentage. Okay, concentration in terms of percentage, that is mass percentage, volume percentage, and third one is mass volume percentage. Now first one is mass percentage. Mass percentage means, that is percentage means in out of 100. Okay, percentage means out of 100, that is the amount of solute present in 100 gram of solution is known as a mass percent or mass percent or weight by weight percent. Okay, now it is defined as mass of solute in grams present in 100 gram of solution is known as a mass percentage. It is, that is mass percentage represented by M by M or W by W. W by W or in terms of M by M, that is weight and weight. Here both things are present in a grams. The percentage of calculation of mass percentage equal to W by W equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into, ऊपर आ जाएगा above, multiply by 100 into 100. I repeat again, formula to calculate the mass percentage or weight by weight or mass by mass equal to mass of solute in grams divided by mass of solution in grams into 100. Now next, for example, 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride, 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride in bracket W by W. That is, it means that 10 gram of sodium chloride present in 100 gram of solution. 10% W by W aqueous solution of sodium chloride means 10 gram of sodium chloride which are present in 100 gram of solution. That is the weight of solute equal to 10 gram, weight of solution equal to 100 gram. Now, what is the amount of solvent? We know that solution is made up of solute, amount of solute plus solvent. Now the amount of solution equal to 100, then amount of solute equal to 10. Now the amount of solvent equal to 100 minus 10, that is 90. So 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride means that 10 amount of solute, that is sodium chloride, equal to 10 gram. Amount of solvent, that is water, equal to 90 gram. Amount of solution equal to 100 gram. It is the meaning of 10% weight by weight of aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Okay, now next one is volume percentage. Similarly, mass percentage, next is volume percentage means, that is in terms of volume milliliter or in liter. Volume percentage means the amount of, it is defined as the volume of the solute which are present in 100 volume of the solution is known as a volume percentage, or it is defined also as the volume of the solute 100 parts of volume of solution is known as volume percentage. It is represented by similarly as like mass percentage represented by W by W. Similarly, volume percentage is represented by V by V. That is, here both solute and solvent in terms of volume are present in volume, liter or in milliliter. Now the formula for calculation of volume percentage equal to V by V, or volume percentage equal to volume of solute in ml milliliter, and it is divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. It is the formula for calculation of volume percentage, volume of solute into 100 divided by volume of solution, and both are present in milliliter. For example, what is the meaning of 10% aqueous solution of sodium chloride V by V, that is volume by volume? %% of aqueous solution of sodium chloride V by V, it means that 10 ml of solute present in 10 ml of solute present in 100 ml of solution. Solute equal to 10 ml, that is amount of sodium chloride in terms of volume equal to 10 milliliter. Then volume of solution equal to 100 milliliter. Now the volume of solvent equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. So 10% of aqueous solution of sodium chloride V by V means that 10 ml of solute, that is sodium chloride, 90 milliliter of solvent, that is water, and 100 milliliter of solution. Now next, mass volume percentage or weight volume percentage, that is W by V. It means that the amount of solute in grams present in or dissolved in 100 ml of solution is known as a mass volume percentage. The formula for this is mass volume percentage equal to mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution into 100. For example, 10% of aqueous solution of NaCl in terms of W by V means that 10 gram of sodium chloride, 10 gram of sodium chloride which are dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Amount of solute, that is NaCl, equal to 10 gram. Volume of the solution equal to 100 ml. It is the meaning of 10% of aqueous solution of W by V. Now next, some numericals which are based on concentration of solutions. Here we also note that mass percentage, volume percentage, it is a unitless quantity. Okay, one topic has been remaining. Parts per million. Parts per million, ppm. Concentration in terms of parts per million, it is most important. Concentration in terms of parts per million when a solute is present in very minute amount, that is in a trace quantities, then we used parts per million. Then the concentration represented in terms of ppm or parts per million. 1 million, 1 million equal to 10 की power 6. 1 million equal to 10 की power 6, that is ppm means now it is defined as the parts of a component or solute per million parts of the solution is expressed in terms of ppm. Similarly, in case of percentage, we used out of 100. Here we used parts of million, that is 10 power 6. Now it is defined as the parts of component or solute per million parts of the solution is expressed in terms of ppm. For example, formula for ppm equal to mass of solute into 10 की power 6, which are divided by mass of solution. Mass of solution. Okay. For example, suppose a liter of public supply water contains about 3 into 10 power minus 3 gram of chlorine. Now the mass percentage can be calculated, or in terms of ppm. Now we solve some numerical problems which are based on concentration of solutions. First of all, numerical is based on molarity. So what is the molarity? Question is that 2.46 gram of sodium hydroxide, molar mass are given 40, are dissolved in water, and the solution is made to 100 centimeter cube in a volumetric flask. Calculate the molarity of the solution. Okay. First of all, we write the data which are given in a question. In this question, small w equal to, that is weight of solute, which are given 2.46 gram. Okay. Molar mass, that is m dash, also given equal to 40. Volume of the solution, that is V, equal to 100 centimeter cube. Now what is the molarity of the solution? Okay, we know molarity equal to weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute into volume. It is defined also as number of moles of solute which are present in 1 liter of solution, known as molarity of the solution. Formula for molarity equal to weight of solute. If volume is given terms of milliliter centimeter cube, then it multiplied by 1000 divided by volume of volume of solution into molar mass of solute. Weight of solute equal to 2.46 into 1000. Volume of the solution V equal to 100. Molar mass of NaOH, you can also calculate it. Molar mass equal to 40, Na equal to 23 plus oxygen 16 H1. Now we solve it. 2.46 divided by 4 and answer equal to, on solving it we got 0.615 m. 0.615 m, it is the molarity of the solution. Now second question is, which are basis on a molality. Calculate the molality of a solution containing 20.7 gram of potassium carbonate, that is K2CO3, dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Assume density of solution equal to 1 gram per ml. Now we calculate the molality of the solution. So first of all we write the data of this question which are given in the question. Weight of solute, that is K2CO3, equal to small w equal to 20.7 gram. Weight of K2CO3 equal to 20.7 gram. Weight of solution is given also here. Weight of solution equal to 500 ml and density equal to 1 gram per ml. Now we calculate the amount of solvent, that is water, to mass of solution. Density equal to mass upon volume. Okay, here volume of solution. So mass, we can calculate the mass of or amount of solvent by this formula. So density equal to is 1, mass equal to, from here mass of solvent equal to, or weight of solvent equal to D into V. D equal to 1, V equal to 500, then equal to 500. Now amount of the water, that is solvent, equal to amount of solvent equal to amount of solution, that is 500, minus amount of solute, that is 20.7. Now the amount of solvent equal to 479.3 gram. We know the molality equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. According to definition, it is defined as 1 mole of solute which are present in 1 kg of solvent is known as a molality. So according to definition, the formula equal to molality equal to N upon W. N equal to weight of solute divided by molar weight of solute into weight of solvent. Now we put the values. Molality small m equal to weight of solute into 1000 divided by weight of solvent into molar mass of K2CO3 or solute. Molar mass of K2CO3 equal to 138, W equal to 20.7 into 1000. Weight of solvent equal to 479. Okay. Molar weight equal to 138. On solving it, we find the answer equal to 0.313 m. Okay. Now molality of the solution equal to 0.313 m, or in terms of molality, or we can say 0.313 mole per kilogram. It is the unit of molality. A number of numericals also is present in this chapter. In next video we will start it numerical which are based on mass percentage, volume percentage, mass volume percentage, and mole fraction and normality. Okay, thank you for watching my video.